We're starting off with a boring blank canvas today in Photopea because I'm going to show you how to get 3 free sources of images without having to leave Photopea. These are all royalty free, so you can use them however you like. So for the first one, I'm going to go to the window menu and go to more and then go to gallery. Now this is the first one that's kind of built into Photopea. So you can see it brings up a gallery. We've got an icon down here, a little picture frame icon to load that gallery. And it brings up a default screen, which is just most popular images at the moment, I think. And it's super simple to add an image from this. You just click on it and it'll put it into your document as a smart object. And they're usually pretty good quality on these. You can drag it around and do what you like. So if you click on the little question mark, it's got a note to say that these are from pixabay.com, which is an excellent royalty-free, free use website for images, stock photos. We can, of course, search for an image that we want using the search bar. Now there's a box that says isolated, and this is supposedly trying to find cut out images like PNGs and things like that. It doesn't work very reliably in my opinion, so it's worth a try, but things are only cut out if you see them on like this plain grey background, like this hand with a pen. Anything else, it's just picking them up by default. So it's worth a look if you're after something specific, but just it's probably better overall to just cut things out yourself within Photopea, but it's worth a look. So that's the first option. The second option, we need to go to the window then plugin menu, and the second option is here called Pexels. You'll find it there, which is just another variant of a similar theme. So it's another free, royalty free, do what you want with kind of image site, and that'll appear in the same section in Photopea, but down here is this kind of this icon down at the bottom, Pexels. Now this is slightly different in the sense that if I grab an image here, click on an image, it'll come up with an option to go to the photographer's page on the actual website. So if you want to see more by that photographer or give them some credit if you want to, you don't have to by the way, but it's sometimes nice to do that. You can do that, and also at the bottom you get a choice of sizes. Now original sizes are going to bring it in at full resolution, and then obviously you can go to smaller sizes if you just want a quick preview and, you know, save on file size. Click add to document and in we go. Simple as that. Again, a smart object, so we can just resize it up and down and it won't lose quality until it hits its sort of maximum original resolution. So that's number 2. And number 3, I'm going to just close that. It's back in the same window plugins, and this one's free pick down here. Very similar, just click install. We've got it in the same section here, the little free pick icon at the bottom. This is very much the same as the first one with the isolated box and just a search box, but free pick's worth having because it's good for icons. So if I go like pen icon, for example, I mean, it's got good photos in as well, but it does have a really good selection of vector style icons here that you can just click and bring in, and a lot of them are super clean lines, nice quality. You can just add them in and do what you want with them. Again, you can click isolated and you might have more of a chance finding some isolated items on this site, although I'm not getting any here. You can see everything's on a background, and if you see something that looks like it's on a checkerboard background, that's not actually a transparent file. That's a preview of a transparent file, so you're still gonna annoyingly get that. So again, probably best to not use isolated most of the time and just cut things out for yourself. But again, it's always an option. So that's it. That's 3 easy and free ways to get near enough limitless supply of free images within Photopea.